welcome back to my channel. So like many of you, I am stuck at home and I have tried to film this video 3 times already and something always goes wrong. Either I don't like the video, either I have a massive headache, or I'm in a bad mood because I'm stuck at home all the time and I don't want to put anything out that I don't like. So hopefully 3rd time's the charm. Just please work. I'm so tired. I'm not dyeing my hair or cutting it because I don't trust myself with scissors. I'm just gonna do my makeup and stay home. Now I really don't have a plan because honestly I just been really unmotivated for anything at all. But I will be using the 39L Hit the Lights palette by Morphe. It's such a pretty hollow color. I love it. Right, then let's just get started and see what we can invent. So first, before I start my eye makeup, I'm going to go in with the Tart Shape Tape Concealer just to prime my lids up a bit. I'm going to start with this color called My Type, which is this nice light brown right here, and I'm just going to apply it all over my crease. So then now I'm going to go in with this red color here called Daring. It's a really bright red. Right, now I'm going to go in with the color called Hot Stuff right here, which is a deeper red, and I'm just going to deepen up this eye look. I'm going to go back into the 39L palette and I'm going to be dipping into the color called Flirt Alert, which is a nice gold copper color. And I'm going to put that where now you see the white. And I'll be using my fingers. So as always, going in with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer, which is my favorite primer of all time. I swear glitter is like is everywhere. And now I'm going to go with foundation, and I'm going to go with the Laura Mercier foundation in the color 2N1 Cashew. I love this foundation. Ever since I tried it, love it. Concealer, I'm going to go in with the Tart Shape Tape and just do what I gotta do. Now that I've done my concealer, I'm going to go with my Kylie Cosmetics setting powder. This is one of my favorite setting powders. So now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Taupe and just do my eyebrows. I'm going to cut this part out because everyone should know how to do their eyebrows somehow. There's like a million tutorials. No excuse. I still don't know how to do my eyebrows. Anyway, so now I have my eyebrows done. I'm going to remove the powder. I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with the MAC Light Plus Mineralize Skinfinish powder. But let's go ahead and contour. Use the Benefit Hoola, like always. Now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up that contour with the Kylie Cosmetics setting powder, as always. Alright, let's finish our eyes while this does its thing. Oh, before that, actually, because I know this red is very red, I'm going to put a little bit of setting powder under right here, just so that it doesn't stick to my skin, my foundation, but you know, don't want to ruin. Alright, so I'm going to go back to the same palette into the color Serve Luxe and just smoke out my under eye. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put So Sassy, which is this color right here, right on top of the gold. You can change your mind. Like, I didn't have a plan for this look, so I'm just going with the flow. And use my finger. Oh, I like this look so much better. It's intense, honey. It is really intense, red, in your face. I am here. You're looking at me red. I like it. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. Wipe off the bake. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and use the Kylie Cosmetics blush in the color We Are Going Shopping. No, we are not. We are staying home. We are protecting others. We are protecting ourselves. We're staying home. So I just added a little bit of a wing to my look. Decided to cut that part out because it took forever. Alright, so I'm now just going to go in my Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. Alright, so today I'm going to go in with the Eylure London Luxe Extra Large Fox Mink Lashes. And the lashes are on. Now these lashes, they're super long, like they're dramatic. And I think it really does go with this look because it is a pretty dramatic look. It is red. So now for highlight, I'm going to go with the Anastasia and Nicole palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Glow Getter. Line our lips, and I'm going to be using MAC in the color Edge to Edge. And I'm going to go now in with the color 24/7 by Colored Raine. Just apply that all over. matching my eyes. I know it's not for everyone, but I love monochromatic looks. But anyways, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more content, for more makeup videos. I'm not a professional, but I love makeup. So let's share our love for makeup together, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.